If you use Google to find out answers to your questions, you might have come across the website Quora. For any kind of question that comes into your mind, Quora have an answer. Let it be a professional and smart or a stupid question. Quora is a website that appears on the first page or maybe in the top 3 results for anything starting with why, how, when, etc. In short, it is a question and answer website where questions are asked, answered, followed and edited by internet users either factually or in the form of opinions. The website receives over 300 million unique visits every month. This unicorn startup became one of the top startups in the world without monetizing its platform. In this video, we will discuss how Quora became successful. Quora was started by Adam Danglio and Charlie Cheever in 2009. Both the co-founders were former employees on Facebook. After resigning from Facebook, they intended to start something of their own. They thought of various startup ideas and shared with their friends, and after rejecting hundreds of ideas, the idea of the question answer sharing platform was loved by everyone. They spent hours brainstorming a name for the site, discussing with friends, and eliminating the one they did not like. They finally decided to keep their website name Quora. It took 9 months to develop the business model of Quora. The motive behind Quora was simple. Even though Google was made for knowledge sharing and accessing purpose, there were lots of unanswered questions that needed answers. So Quora provided a platform for everyone to share their ideas, post their questions and answer questions formally or casually. Quora joined the startup accelerator called Y Combinator in 2014 and with the help of 14 investors and 4 funding rounds managed to raise a capital of $226 million. Now let's understand the reasons for the success of Quora. Number 1. Value provider. Whatever your startup is, it will be successful only if it provides value in the life of users. Quora provided great value by answering all kind of questions that comes into the light. From simplest and funniest to most complicated questions, Quora have an answer for it. Career advice, life advice, medicine and healthcare, politics, dating and relationship, and jobs and careers were some of the most popular topics Quora covered. Number 2. Database. Investors will put their money on any company only if they feel that it has the potential to grow in the future. Because Quora had a huge database from around the globe, investors can see a promising benefit by investing in the startup. The website has a huge database of question answers searched by people around the globe, which makes the startup one of the most valuable startups. Number 3. Clean interface. These days, most of the websites and mobile apps are filled with disturbing ads popping up every minute. It reduces our concentration to consume knowledge and disturb us. And for any website or mobile app with reading purpose, need to have a clean and distraction-free interface. Quora understood that and applied it to their app. This helped readers to spend more and more time into their platform and increase their value. Number 4. Constant improvement. If you compare the first Quora interface and interface of now, you will find that they are constantly improving their app and website according to need. They implemented several new features including upvote, downvote and space. Quora acquired the online community website Parleo and integrated their contents to Quora, which increased their database even more. Constant improvement brings better user experience, and better user experience means more user. And the most interesting thing is that, unlike other similar websites, Quora supported regional languages of almost all countries. This brings a great benefit for the platform to acquire more regional users. These were some key reasons behind the success of Quora. Now let's understand how Quora make money. In the beginning years, Quora made no money from any kind of monetization in the platform. Now one may ask, how did they survive? The answer is that they raised money from investors. Tiger Global invested 80 million in 2014, which made Quora a $900 million valuation startup. They monetized their platform through advertisement in 2016 for the first time with Uber as their first client. They started showing up more ads eventually, but the frequency of their ad is still low and relevant to users' interest only. They also introduced their partner program and started inviting selected writers to join their program. By joining the program, writers can earn from Quora now. I hope this monetization process for writer will be more like YouTube in the future, where one will have to cross a certain number of views and followers in order to get paid. Please comment down what is your opinion on the same. That's all for this video guys. I hope you loved it. If you did, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.